My name is Joe Fu Liu. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to paint the window trim. Okay, window trim currently right now is red color, and my wall color is you can see is a little bit light green, so it looks awkward. So today I'm going to fix it using the white paint to override the red color. So I'm going to using the satin, Elema, and a little bit semi-glossed the paint, the white paint. So I'm going to using the roller most of the time, using the roller to paint, and at the corner or a very tiny area, I'm using the brush to do. Later on, I'm going to show you how you choose the color for your home to decorate, make your home looks colorful. So let's see, let's go.